Hey, what's up, guys? Tech Jake here, and today, we're taking a look at a printer that might just change the way you think about home and office printing. This is the Epson EcoTank ET-2800 wireless printer, and spoiler alert, it does things differently. Alright, so first up, no more ink cartridges. The EcoTank ET-2800 uses high-capacity ink tanks that are refillable. You get enough ink to print up to 4,500 black pages and 7,500 color pages right out of the box. And refilling? It's simple and mess-free with these replacement ink bottles. No stress. No fuss. This thing is also an eco-warrior. By ditching cartridges, you're reducing plastic waste, good for the environment, and great for your conscience. Of course, it's 2024, and this printer's got wireless connectivity. Print directly from your computer, laptop, or phone. Yes, it supports Google Cloud Print, too. And because it's an all-in-one, you can print, copy, and scan, all from this one compact device. Perfect for small offices or home setups. Let's talk quality. You're getting a resolution of up to 5760 by 1440 dpi, which means sharp, vibrant prints every time. Quick pros and cons rundown. Heavy checkmark pros. Massive ink capacity, thousands of pages before refills. Eco-friendly and reduces waste. Wireless printing and easy setup. Professional print quality. Crossmark cons. Higher initial price than regular inkjets. Slower for color printing. No automatic document feeder. Bottom line. The Epson EcoTank ET-2800 is a long-term win. Sure, it costs more upfront, but the savings on ink and the eco-friendly design make it worth it. Want to snag this printer at a killer discount? Hit the link in the description. You know what to do. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Victory hand.